Parking wars Judge Judy style. Ever fought over a spot and thought this is MY space? Well, buckle up because this case is about to prove how something as small as parking can spiral into vandalism, police reports, and courtroom drama.
So this is what you say happened, and then I'm going to tell you what really happened. You were going to a parking area. To do what?
I was going to take my kids to the fair.
To what?
To the street fair.
You were going to a fair.
Yes.
And the parking lot was very crowded because there was
Yes.
a fair. And everybody was looking for parking spaces. Who else was with you?
My husband and my 2 children.
Who was driving?
I was driving.
And you, like everybody else, was looking for a parking space.
There was not that many cars. It was only me going in.
No, not you. She was there.
No, she was not there.
Yes, she was.
No,
Yeah.
she was, but she was with her engine off.
She was sitting in the car with her engine off, waiting for a parking space.
But I arrived.
Notice what Judy's doing here. She's establishing priority of possession. In parking lot disputes, the person already waiting usually has the stronger claim. She's boxing the witness into admitting the defendant's car was present first. Classic courtroom trap.
I arrived.
No. I know what happened. 71. I know what happened.
No, you don't.
She's sitting in her car waiting for somebody to get out of a parking space so she can go in to the parking space. Correct?
Correct.
A man is walking towards his car and everybody says, aha, or somebody was walking towards their car. That's what you say. This is what you say. I'm telling you what you say in your complaint. That a man was walking towards their car and waved you on to follow him to go and get his parking space.
Yes.
Somebody that you didn't know.
No, I didn't know him.
Right. But he waved you on. Now, when he got to the parking space, her car was sitting right there with the engine off.
No, she was not sitting there. She was sitting far apart from where the man was going to come out.
Well,
She just turned on and sipped right in back of the man. She didn't even let him get out of his parking.
Correct. Because she was sitting there.
She was not sitting there.
Camarillo, we can do this several different ways. What happened was, when you pulled into the parking lot area, her car was already there. It may have had the engine on, it may have had the engine off, but her car...
Boom! Judge Judy drops the hammer. You stole her parking space. Ouch. And just like that, the narrative flips. What do you think? Was it really theft of a spot or just fair game?
Her car was already there.
Yeah, but she was far away from
She
where the
wasn't
car
far
was.
away.
Yes, she was.
No, she wasn't.
She was like 6 cars apart. I was closer.
You were closer. But
I was
she had...
closer. I got there where the man was
Camarillo,
going to get
no.
out first. I got there first. Yes, I did.
Miss Camarillo, you didn't get there first.
Yes, I
because
did get there first.
According to you,
How do I know she was not waiting for somebody with her engine on?
unless she's not on your listening ears. I'm going to throw you out and not even let you finish. According to you, her car was turned off. That you knew. So her car was in the parking lot before you got there because she was sitting and waiting for a space. You, according to your complaint, just pulled into the lot. That's what you said. And fortunately, you saw a man who you say waved you to follow him to get his parking space. But she was already in the lot. She may have been 3 cars away or 6 cars away, but she's sitting there waiting for somebody to enter their car in that line so that she can get that spot. That's what happened. She zipped in so that the man couldn't get out. And she said, it's my spot. No way. She had to let the man out. As soon as she backed up and he got out,
Here's where things escalate. This isn't just about parking anymore. The real accusation? Keying a car. Question for you. Even if someone cuts you off for a spot, does that ever justify damaging their property? Let's see how Judy untangles this.
you pulled in. So you left your car, and whatever words there were, we'll discuss what words there were later, because that's your complaint. Your complaint is that she came back because you parked there, and you stole the parking space. She came back and vandalized your car. That's what the case is about. But let's make it absolutely clear whether she had a right to that parking space or not. If she vandalized your car, she's not allowed to do that. But I know what you did. You took the parking space and she was waiting for it. And it happens all the time.
No, ma'am. Yes.
All the time.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody, exactly what happened. You scooted into that parking spot and you knew that she was sitting there with the engine off waiting for, you can shake your head all you like. That's exactly what happened. Because that's what that says. And that's what you just told me. You just told me she was sitting cars away with her engine off. What do you think she was doing? You think she was taking a nap?
Maybe.
You think, well, but then she told you.
Maybe.
Pay attention to me. But then she pulled up her car and she said, I've been waiting for a space. You didn't care. Then you knew she wasn't taking a nap. Then you knew she wasn't there having a tuna sandwich. You knew she was there waiting for a space. And you saw it because you just said to me her car had the engine off.
Yeah, well, her engine was off. I didn't know what was she waiting for. What was she doing?
Well, then she told you. I've been sitting here waiting.
But I was already there.
No, you weren't. Miss Camarillo.
I was already waiting for the parking spot.
No, you weren't. Just come in.
But she was sitting over there. Further away. I mean.
Now, I've determined that you stole her parking space. That doesn't give her the right to vandalize your car. So you parked the car and you went to the fair. You left with your husband and your 2 children.
No, my husband decided to stay around there.
Let's see if I believe him anymore.
Because she threatened me she was going to come back and my car. That's what she told me.
So then why did you leave your car?
Because my baby was crying that he wanted to go to the fair.
Do you know I don't believe her? Now you're going to get up here and you're going to tell me your last name is?
Luna.
Mr. Luna, you're going to tell me how it came about that you saw the defendant scratch your car.
Okay. This is what happened. Okay, we went into the parking spot.
Listen, I know what happened with the spot. Your wife snuck into the spot. I've already determined that, because that's what happened. She can shake her head until it falls off. That's what happened. That's what happened. That doesn't excuse somebody vandalizing your car. But I've already determined what happened based upon what she told me. Based upon what she told me, I've determined what happened. Do you want me to recap it for you, sir?
No, sir.
I'm going to recap it for you. You pulled into the parking lot. A man who you didn't know waved you to his parking space where he was going to give you his parking space. This I've got because I haven't even asked her a question. Your wife says sitting 6 cars away with the engine off was the defendant's car. As soon as the man got into his car, according to your wife, the defendant turned on her car and blocked him from getting out because your wife was coming from the other direction. And she said to your wife,
the police report, golden in court. But here's the problem. It doesn't match the witness's story. In legal battles, if your paperwork doesn't back you up, credibility takes a nosedive. Judy knows it, and she's pressing hard.
Waiting for the spot. She told her that.
No, she didn't. Yeah, I did.
Yes, she did. She had to let him out eventually, and when she let him out, she backed up, your wife pulled in. That's what happened. Your head's going to fall off, and I don't care. I don't care. That's what happened.
But how are you going to say that's what happened if you don't even see it?
Just a second. I see it in my mind's eye. I'm 71 years old. I know exactly what happened. People have been taking my parking spaces for years. Now I want you to tell me what happened after your wife stole the parking space. Start at that point.
I decided to tell her like I was worrying about what she was going to do to the car. Because before she left, she told us, I'm up your car, okay? I was worrying about it, and I decided to go back to the parking lot. That's when I saw her going into a parking lot, and I decided to go up to the stairs, and I saw her scratching my wife's car. When I told them, hey, she just left, run to her car, and she left. I memorized her place number. I memorized her car, the model, everything.
Do you have a police report?
Yeah, we do.
I'd like to see it. Thank you. Well, this police report doesn't say you told police that you had seen anybody, that your car was keyed.
She was the one who would make the testimony, though.
I was the one who told the police officer.
Says that you both went to the street fair.
And there it is. Judy dismisses the claim. No proof, no win. The big lesson? Parking spots aren't worth police reports, lawsuits, or losing credibility in front of Judge Judy. Next time someone takes your spot, maybe you just let it go.
Okay.
And I'm reading this report very carefully. It says The incident occurred today at 15:10 hours. Female drivers, she was going to key the victim's vehicle. The two of you went to the HP fair, and when they returned, victim's vehicle was keyed, and suspect's vehicle was no longer in the area.
She keyed my car.
I
I told.
key your car.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I haven't.
She threatened
That's not
me,
what it
and
says.
he saw her key my car.
How did you
That's not-
see me?
He
That's
saw
not what
you.
it says.
I didn't see you. He
No,
saw
I
you.
can't help you. It's not what it says, and I don't believe you.
Why you don't believe me?
Very easily.
Look,
Because
this
if you pay attention, listen.
Okay.
Listen to me, my friend. You're an intelligent man. If you witness a robbery of a car, you take the testimony of the owner of the car and say, I didn't give so-and-so permission to steal my car, but I didn't see it. This is a witness. This is the person who saw her vandalize the car. Take down that testimony. It's not what your wife said to the police.
Yes,
But
I
your
did
wife
tell
said,
him.
this is your report.
Yeah, but I told the police officer she made several mistakes on that report. She didn't even spell my name right. I mean, she was in a hurry. I don't know. I didn't realize till I got home. But I did tell him that my husband saw her key my car,
Now, that's
and
not-
she
that's
threatened
it.
me before she left,
That's
and,
not-
and
That's
came
that's
back.
not here. That's not here.
Well, I don't know why
And I
she didn't
didn't
write
key the
that.
car.
I did not.
Yes,
Goodbye.